Hey guys, in this video we're breaking down Beats Fit Pro True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. If you are searching earbuds which performs excellent sound and long-lasting battery life, Beats Fit Pro may be the best choice for you. If you want more information, check links mentioned in the description below. Let's go to start the video. Beats has been busy. After releasing the Studio Buds earlier this year, today the Apple-owned brand is back with the more premium Beats Fit Pro wireless earbuds. It's unusual to see two completely new products from Beats in a single year, but perhaps the company is trying to make a point that it's not idly sitting by and playing second fiddle to Apple's AirPods and AirPods Pro. If anything, the $200 Fit Pros demonstrate that Beats has found its focus. The Fit Pros are a wonderfully designed pair of earbuds that integrate the best of Apple tech. They've got active noise cancellation that's on par with the AirPods Pro, the same spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, the same adaptive EQ. They even have the brand new skin detect sensor that only just debuted in the third generation AirPods. There have been many questions about where Beats fits into Apple's long-term plans, and while a single product can't really provide an answer to that, the Fit Pros are solid evidence that this brand isn't being pushed to the wayside anytime soon. Our review of Beats Fit Pro. Verge score: 8.5 out of 10. When I reviewed the Studio Buds, I praised their ambition and Beats' attempt to cater to Android users as much as iPhone owners. But despite their great comfort, good sound, and compact design, those earbuds had some key missing features and fell a bit flat on execution. Not so with the Beats Fit Pros. They're exactly what you'd want them to be. These are the best earbuds Beats has ever made. But Beats thinks it has found a great alternative with the Fit Pros, all in a design that's much more compact, lightweight, and comfortable than the Powerbeats. Beats is very proud of how much it crammed into the Fit Pros, which have the company's smallest enclosure yet, not counting the wing tips, obviously. They contain 30% more components than the Studio Buds, and the transducer is 15% larger. 3 sizes of silicone ear tips come in the box, along with a short USB-C cable. Beats says it designed the wing tips for every ear imaginable, but ears are all different, and there will always be exceptions. That said, I let several people try the Fit Pros, and even those with small ears could find a way to make the wing tip work for them and said it resulted in a more steady overall fit. They passed the gym test and didn't come even slightly loose during high-intensity runs. They also stayed in while eating, something that's a challenge for many earbuds. The Fit Pros are rated IPX4 for water and sweat resistance, which is adequate for workout purposes. Unlike the Studio Buds, which didn't have Apple's usual earbud chipset inside, the Fit Pros have the H1 and all the features that come along with that. The main benefits are: dynamic head tracking for spatial audio, automatic device switching between iPhone, iPad, and Mac, automatic syncing with all of your iCloud devices, audio sharing, Find My integration, hands-free Hey Siri voice commands. Beats notes that a lot of other functionality, ANC transparency mode, one-step setup, Apple Music spatial audio, minus head tracking, works just as well on Android as on iOS. You'll need the Beats app for some things like control customization and more detailed battery status. The Studio Buds supported Android's native fast pair feature, but the Fit Pros do not. That's not surprising considering there's once again Apple silicon inside. But it means that there's an extra layer of seamlessness when using the Fit Pros within Apple's ecosystem. You can get most of the way there on Android. Transparency mode sounds natural here in the same way it does on the Pros, with the same sound effects as you switch between modes. When ANC is off, Beats refers to this as adaptive EQ mode. That's where you'll get the best battery life, 7 hours of continuous playback and up to 30 hours including case recharges. Using ANC or transparency drops those figures to 6 hours and 27 hours, respectively, so you're not losing much no matter how you're using the buds. Beats says you'll get an hour of playback, with ANC from a quick 5-minute top off, and fully recharging both earbuds, and the case takes around 90 minutes. Hey guys! Voice call performance is quite good but falls short of the AirPods. If you're wearing one of the earbuds alone, 3 mics are used for voice calls. When both earbuds are in use, the voice system leverages 5 mics. The Fit Pros utilize beamforming mics and voice detection algorithms to help isolate your voice from background commotion. My coworkers heard me loud and clear on Zoom calls, and people I chatted with on the phone said I sounded fine, if slightly less pronounced as when using the AirPods. The Fit Pros successfully thread the needle between everyday and fitness-focused earbuds. They're objectively a better choice than the AirPods Pro for workouts and running, and they handle more casual listening equally as well. They improve upon the lackluster noise cancellation that dragged down the studio buds, and they restore Apple's full arsenal of ecosystem tricks. They also bring back features that Beats left out last time, like in-ear detection. Making wingtips part of the core design was a gamble, and there will no doubt be cases where the decision causes issues for some people. All I can say is these are among the most comfortable wingtips I've ever had in my ears, and they succeed at their purpose of keeping the Fit Pros locked in place. If you already own a set of AirPods or bought the Studio Buds earlier this year, these aren't a must-have. But if you've been searching for something worthy of replacing your Powerbeats Pro, the Beats Fit Pro might just be the ticket. They're the sporty AirPod Pros a lot of people have been waiting. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.